Okay guys, today's video, we're doing a motor swap. I'm going to take this one that, I think the crank bearing's gone and whatever. We're going to take it apart anyways and we'll check it out. But for now, I just want to get this machine back going. So we're going to pull that motor out, take the motor out of the other one. We're going to do a time lapse. So I'm just going to put it on, no talking, and just let it roll. So you'll see, it won't take very long. Just find your screwdriver. The same bolt as this, I just cut it off. You just screw it into the crank. And you take this here, number 21 bolt, that fits into the end of the clutch. Take your little impactor and just screw it in. It's designed with a thread so you can pull it. Same deal, we'll just do a time lapse. That's not so bad. We'll close that all up until we get the other motor fixed. Okay, let's slap the other one in. There you go. I'm just going to figure out the wiring and then we'll take it for a rip. So there we go. That's our temporary transplant.
Home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Just testing out the drone here, or doing a little bit of a follow me. You can see in the video it's just follow me. Sometimes if I go too fast it loses me, but it's pretty neat technology. There's a couple other features where I have it circling me, and you see it gets pretty close to the trees, but it has enough common sense to avoid them. Just keep watching and you'll see. The new transplant seems to be working pretty good. It's amazing what you can go where these things will go in the snow. This is the circling effect I'm testing out here. And you'll see we're going to get pretty close to these trees. So it has avoidance detection, which is good. Otherwise it would have been crashed. So I'm not even holding the remote. I have it on the on the snow over there, just checking it out. Now we had to get the remote to realign it. It's just gonna, you set it up to follow you, and away it goes. It's pretty neat. This is not the first test. I've done a couple runs with the screw, and it seems to be working pretty well. This is me on the lake with the dog. We're just cruising around, testing it out, just showing you guys what it's got. Right here and just saying hello, and it's going to take you guys on a little flyby here. Just cruising down the lake. The view is pretty spectacular, I would admit. This tree is pretty high. You can see I'm just zooming by here. Well, pretty nice.